John Maxwell said, everything rises and falls on leadership. Welcome to You Can Do It with Angela Jaja. If today is your first time on this program, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell so you don't get to miss another video. Also feel free to like, share, and comment on my videos. Today, we'll be discussing another interesting topic, which is be the change you want to see. In 2022, you cannot speak the change you want to see alone. You have to act it. If you desire a better result, don't just speak it, act on it. As a leader, whatever change you desire to see in your organization, around you, in the people you are leading, you have to model it. Personal leadership is very important, and that is the most difficult type of leadership, because you have to lead yourself first before you can lead others. So many people will be like, this thing cannot change, this thing cannot work. Who said so? The question is, what are you doing to make it work? I really hear people say, Nigeria will never be good, things will never change. Okay, if you say so. But my question to you is, are you the change you desire to see in Nigeria? Will you be happy to see everybody in Nigeria be like you? You want people to be honest in Nigeria. You want people to be honest in your organization. Are you honest? You want things to be done excellently. Do you do things excellently? Whatever thing you desire to see, whatever thing you desire to change, you have to model it. There is a story of a mother that took her son to go and see a therapist. She said to the therapist, my son consumes a lot of sugar. I want him to stop taking sugar. And the therapist said to her, go and come back in a week time. She did. And the therapist was able to counsel this young man. And the mother said to him, why didn't you counsel him when we came here a week ago? He said, because I was also consuming a lot of sugar. The therapist was able to communicate what he wanted to see in the young man, because that was what he was doing. You cannot desire a good system whereas you are not that good, in quotes. So in 2022, whatever thing you want to change around you, in the life of those you are leading, you have to lead that change. As a leader, model the change you want to see. Let people learn from what you do. Let them not take what you say. If you desire a better result, be the first to act on it. Then others will follow. This year is a great year. So if you want to change anything this year, you want to transform anything this year, you want to see something different this year, let it start with you. Be a proactive leader and not a reactive leader. Be the first person to take the step to create the change you desire to see, so that others can join you in creating that desired change. I believe this video has blessed you. Please let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and God bless you.